Hi students! Welcome to our instructional video about the handouts I have assigned to you to get you ready for our exciting project that we will be doing tomorrow in class. This instructional video will guide you through the steps of completing each worksheet that I handed to you in class today. We will begin with activity 1. On this worksheet, I would like you to first write your name and the date. Try to write clearly just like we practiced in class. For this activity, I need you to observe soil with your parents. It could be from a plant that's in your home or soil from your backyard. Have your parents help you out while you look at the soil. After you observe the soil, draw a picture in this box of what it looked like. Above your drawing, you can label your drawing soil. Remember to write neatly and clearly. Next, underneath the picture of the eye, write words that describe what the soil looks like. After you completed that, write words that describe how the soil felt, looked, and smelled underneath the picture of the hand. Next, we will look at activity 2. For this activity, we will be predicting. Predicting means we will be guessing what is going to happen. Just like the activity 1, I would like you to first write your name and then the date, making sure to write clearly, just like we have done in class. For the first part of activity 2, we have 4 different outside objects: rocks, soil, sand, and water. I would like for you to guess which one would get the hottest if it was in the sun all day, and then draw a picture of that object in this box. Make sure to label your drawing by writing the word of the object you chose to draw. For the second part of activity 2, I would like you to guess the temperature that you think the different outside materials would be if they were in the sun all day. Write your guesses next to each material. Lastly, we will look at activity 3. We will only be focusing on these 2 columns, only these 2. Again, we will be making predictions, and just like the first 2 activities, please write your name. Make sure you write it clearly. This activity is all about whether or not the sun can melt different objects if they were to be under it all day. There are 8 objects in the left column. We first have a Lego, a crayon, a penny, an ice cube, a paperclip, a rock, a block, and chocolate. Next to each of these objects, I would like for you to write yes or no. You would write yes if you predict that the object would melt in the sun, and you would write no if you don't predict that the object would melt in the sun. After completing all of the worksheets, go over them with your parents and make sure you filled out all of the parts I wanted you to do. If you cannot figure out any part of the worksheet, you may leave it blank and we will look over it in class tomorrow. See you tomorrow, class.